Yo, what's up? Welcome back to yet another reaction. I'm reacting to one of my brothers as well from Namibia. You know what I mean? How are you guys doing, man? How are you guys doing out there in Namibia? If you are here for the first time, smash that subscribe button, hit that notification so you do any of the uploads on this channel, and then go check out DJ Vuyo's YouTube page. Subscribe to this brother, one of the biggest artists to come out of Namibia. I don't know. I'm just saying that. Okay, do not come after me. This is my observation. This is my preference. Yo, this guy is big. Anyway, DJ Vuyo featuring page Ethnix Dorado. I feel like I've reacted to this song like 4 times, and here we are. This is the 100th time or something. Let's get to it, man. If you're here for the first time, like I said, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of the uploads. Okay. Hey.
Not down, yeah. Champions League.
Yo, this is fire, man. I think this song will move anybody anywhere. You know what I mean? And if you're listening to it using headphones, come on. I want to see a lot of you guys from Malawi actually getting on this, man. Come on. Please. How do I say please again? Please. You guys from Zambia, Malawi. Obviously, this guy has worked with a lot of big artists like Vincenzo, Your Maps. Lots of artists from Zambia have worked with this guy. That really shows that, you know, he has the credibility, he has the thing. You know what I mean?
More pressure, you go give me more pressure. Give me na concussion, I'm losing a little. More pressure, you go give me more pressure. Give me na concussion, I'm losing a little. Shua, ma uli mumba tu yangu me. Shua.
Beautiful video. If I ever leave the US, I want to go stay a little bit in Namibia. I don't know. Obviously, I would like to stay in Botswana, but I would be open to staying in Namibia. Also, like, I don't know, it just feels like Namibia. If I'm in Namibia, it would be like I'm in Botswana, but I won't. I have that thing. I want to live in Namibia one day.
Baby, send me your location. Nenondale go kufesha. Geto tulange kopresha. Enona ngotali nyengo na igwa umona limwe. More pressure, you go give me more pressure. Give me na concussion, I'm losing a little. More pressure, you go give me more pressure. Give me na concussion, I'm losing a little.
I have a video with DJ Vuyo that I did an interview with him. Very lovely. Like I say, he's my friend, obviously. Whoever I'm talking to, whoever I'm able to connect with, I know I have lots of people commenting down here on these videos that I react to, and I consider you guys my friends. Okay, because we enjoy music, we enjoy like all the things you guys like are suggesting music that I super enjoy. So here I am suggesting another song from Namibia. I feel like this is one of the artists in Southern Africa that should be dominating the charts in all of Southern Africa. Okay, like everybody in Southern Africa, whenever you mention an artist from Namibia, DJ Vuyo should be coming up. This song will move you, and it's not the only one. Can you imagine there are more bangers after this? Okay.
Shua, shua, mahuri uri mumatwi yangu ime. Shua, 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 shua. Shua, 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 mahuri uri mumatwi yangu ime. Nonditana titandi kushaka iwe. Akwina kwa Dorado, unondi kuwisa Ronaldo. Why you using me iwe?
Why are you using? Oh, okay.
I'm sweetie. Akwina kwa Dorado, unondi kuwisa Ronaldo. Why you using me iwe? Shua, 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 shua. Shua, 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 mahuri uri mumatwi yangu ime. Shua, 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 shua. Shua, 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 mahuri uri mumatwi yangu ime.
It's the drums, man. Hey. She's dangerous. Yo, big up to DJ Vuyo. Big up, man. Namibia, stand up. I want to see a lot of Namibian artists because I know just a few artists like Ethnix. Obviously, I've reacted to his a few artists as well. I've reacted to quite a few artists from, but my favorite artist from Namibia is DJ Vuyo. I don't know. I don't care what you guys say. Okay, so yeah, there are also young artists that are coming. What's the other guy? There's a girl and a guy that are like doing things that are like there's a song called Tic Tac Tac. I've heard somebody randomly playing it in Botswana. Taxi drivers are playing it in Botswana. I'm like, please let this be like a thing where, you know, even the artist is able to perform in Botswana, and Botswana artists can also perform in Namibia, and you know, that thing must go on. Must go on. You know what? Anyway, thank you so much for watching this. If you're here for the first time, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell too, so you don't miss any of the uploads on the channel, and go check out DJ. I am telling you, I am